Eat your ice cream. Is that a lot of ice cream? Let's see where. Wow, Sarah's down on hers.
Michael's struggling. A lot.
Eat your ice cream. Lots of licks. How did you get the biggest one, William? Deep in what? Why?
Don't get on the bed.
Stupid boy.
Don't do that, Daddy.
Why? Why?
Don't do that, Daddy.
Why?
That's not big.
That's a no-no word, huh?
That's a lot of ice cream. You can eat your ice cream? I love you.
Ice cream.